Hello everyone, welcome. So finally I'm here after facing a big problem in my YouTube. I had the glitch, I couldn't do the live. So finally I'm recording this video because I wanted to share, I committed myself that I will share the honest review about my goal setting, about this habit, particular habit. So the thing is, same the way I schedule this live, that I would like to do it at 11 a.m. and 11 a.m. Saturday, everything was planned, everything was scheduled, and at the end time YouTube had some glitch and I couldn't do the live. I have done the promotion on social media in certain groups, but this is a life and this happens. The same happens with our goals. When we set a goal, we plan that I will do this, I will do that. But when the time of execution comes, things change. And that's what I'm going to share today, my honest review of my last week. So even I'm a goal strategist and execution coach, still I'm a human. So when I set a new goals for myself, I face the problem as well, like we all does. And that's what I would like to share, that even somebody is doing job, somebody is an entrepreneur here, somebody is a woman entrepreneur, somebody is a coach. Everyone faces the same problem when we change our situation, when we want to do something different than our routine, when we would like to set the different level of our routine, we face the same problem. So last week I have decided that I would like to wake up in the early morning. I have planned everything, that I'll wake up at 5. I'll do certain things like I will do reading, exercise, affirmations, visualization, and I will do the focus work. I have been planning this since long time. I'm a morning person, but I'm not able to follow my early morning routine since long time. I have scheduled this very nicely. Last week I was so excited, I will do this, I will do that. 2 pages I filled in my this big notebook, that this can be done, this can be done, I can read this book, everything. I enjoyed my planning. So what happened when the actual scenario comes? Because I have been setting alarm for 5 a.m. but I was not able to wake up. I was able to wake up a little late, but I was not able to wake up 5 or before 5. So the first day comes with full excitement. I woke up at 5. Even before 5 to 10 minutes. I set the alarm for 4:45, 4:50, 4:55 and 5. So I woke up like 5 to 10 minutes early. And then I was super excited. I was like, I already kept everything ready, yeah, my clothes and all for gym, for exercise. So I took that. I was like, let's ride my cycle. I took it to the nearest ground. It took me almost 20-25 minutes to reach there. Then for that long, like big ground, I do 2-3 round. I was like, shit, I'm so tired. Then again I had to come back because I took the bicycle, right? So I drive that back. I came home and I was like, shit, it is too much of time. I have decided certain time limit, like 5 a.m. to 8 a.m. I have to finish certain things and then I can start my routine. I go outside, I'll do cooking and all these things. But now what? For this single thing took my 1.5 hour. And I was like, I need to rework. So now I was like, I need to plan again, that what I can do. This long tour I can do it on daily basis if I want to follow entire structure to set the new routine at early morning. So then I decided that I'll go just my nearest garden. For that I don't need bicycle, I can just go by walking. I have decided that. And like, see how our mind play with us, huh? So the weirdest and the stupidest reason my mind gave me, like, we had a cat guest at our home, and I am not a person who is habitual with the cats or dogs at home, so I little afraid to them. So these cats came and they are staying, so I'm the person who afraid. And at 5 a.m. everybody in the house sleeps. So then I was like, how can I go out in the morning? I'm not even turning on the light. What if they jump? What if they do something? If they didn't recognize me? I started thinking stupid things, and I was like, no, they came for 2 3 days. I didn't know they are here for 3 or 4 days, but I was like, they are here for some days. I'm not having guts to go out. What if they attack? Stupidest thing. They are the sweetest, but stupidest thing. My mind is playing with me, and it gives the reason that it's okay. We can skip. And so this gave me the reason, and I literally skipped for 2 days. And third day they went, and then I'm like, okay, so now I can't give any more reason. So now the next thing is, one day what happened that I woke up, I had an exercise and everything, and my book was not planned, that which book I should read. So again I was confused. One day I able to do the affirmation, I was not able to do the visualization. So many things are like able to do it, not able to do it. I planned everything, but I didn't plan with proper clarity. And then, so in this entire week, how these things happen, that someday I able to do it, someday I skipped certain things because I was not clear. So I understood one thing, that when we plan for our goal, for our entire week, when we are starting something new, especially when we are starting something new, when we are setting a new goal for ourselves, it is very important to plan. That's the first step, obviously. But along with the planning, we have to take ugly actions. We don't have to be perfectionist. We have to take ugly action. Like one day when the cats were there at my home, I did a little workout. I just did jumping jacks at home at 5:30 a.m. I was like, I'll do something. So I was slowly training my mind that I have to do it. Any which way, I can't give the reason. So I didn't do what I have exactly planned, but I did ugly, and that trained my body and mind. Then it was beautiful. The slowly I was able to do certain things, and with that, so in this entire week I was able to do it for 2 to 3 times, entire process which I have planned. But 3 to 4 times I skipped it. And one more thing, not able to sleep early because of the past routine that I'm following currently. So I was sleeping late, so again sleep problem, not able to complete my sleep. But because of my mindset, motivation, I'm waking up early, but again the sleep is not completing, so that little tiredness at home. So slowly we understand these things. When we understand it, when we take ugly actions, we are not here to be perfectionist. Do ugly. If I have decided to read 5 pages, I read 3. It's okay, but I read. So we have to at least start taking action and finish it. We don't have to be perfectionist that I have decided 20 pages to read, but I read only 2. But it's okay, you read. That is important. You took the action. So slowly start training your mind to at least do it. So you will know how to do it better. So you will understand how to do it better. And I'm so excited. Like, I'm literally planning this thing for the people. Like, if anyone, even you want to join it, I'm starting it from 9th of February. That the same challenge, like 5 to 8 morning, that entire level 10 of consistency we can build here. We can build the next level of discipline. So this thing I'm planning. And whatever experience I have gone through, whatever things I have learned with my experience, I'm literally helping other people to literally avoid these things. I'm preceding their mind. I'm just making them ready in advance. So I have already formed the group, and it is just negligible. Like, it's only 99 rupees, but with 7 days you are going to be awesome. This will be lifelong experience, and if you were able to complete it, that will be amazing. So if anybody is interested, you can definitely do let me know. This was my honest review of entire week. It was my learning. When we set a new goal, it is You, as a human, we all get the same experience, but we have to focus on having a strong mindset, good planning skill. Apart from that, have a good clarity of each task. So I'll just tell you few things in advance what you can do, what I have learned. So quickly I'll tell that. So if you have decided that you want to go for exercise, keep your all clothes ready. If you are taking keys, if you're having water bottle, everything. If you want to have, if you're having your shoes, sports shoes, keep everything ready. So in the morning when you wake up, you will not, your mind will not resist. Yare, now I need to search that gym clothes. Where are they? I'm not able to find my key. I'm not able to find my shoes. It can be any stupidest reason that will tell you to just sleep again. So we should not give any reason to our mind. Even keep your book handy. Whatever book you are going to read, keep that in front of your eyes, like sleep near to that book only. You can do that. You can have your diary nearby you, because when we are doing the challenge, we have always need to measure it. That gives us next level of motivation. So everything we are going to do it, and more than this we are going to do it. So if you want to experience this, just do let me know. You can comment below, you can DM me, you can reply to this video. And this is my honest experience. It was totally from my heart. I wanted to do a live, but no worries, now I'm just recording this video and I will share with all of you. Do share your experience as well, and if you want to join the challenge, do let me know. I would love to see that if you are able to complete the challenge with me or not. I'll see you there. Have a great, fantastic week ahead. Plan your goals, execute it well, and if you need, then your goal strategist and execution coaches here as well.